Hi everybody, this is Aarti from Only Paitani, and we are in the middle of the creating our festival collection, and the sarees have really started coming to us, and we thought that we'll just show you a sneak preview of what the festive collection is going to look like. Today we are showing you some pure silk paitanis, and all these paitanis are having some beautiful artistic pallus. It's a mix of traditional borders and munia borders today. We will be coming soon to you with some heavy borders and all over paitanis too. In the meantime, have a look at these saris, and I really hope you like them. These would be very also available very soon on our website, and also at our stores in Hyderabad and Bangalore. This is the first one today, starting you off with a red. It's a pure silk paitani. Peacock bootas on this one. A very beautiful green traditional border. Very classic combination. And a very nice deep red. Not a, not a very jarring kind of a red. So a very beautiful, pleasant combination here. And a lovely pallu here. You will see these peacocks with bansuri, and also a middle portion of hand woven peacocks right in the middle of the pallu. A very pretty pallu, and that's how the sari looks like. And very tiny, lovely peacock booties on this this particular sari. Very delicate. Next we have is a similar design with in a different color. This is a very rich jewel tone of a peacock green shade. A very vibrant two-tone color on the body, and as you can see, peacock booties on this one as well. A copperish border on this one. A very traditional paitani border, the narari border as we know this one to be, and a similar pallu with bansuri peacocks and the peacock bootas. This is the lovely color on this paitani. All these paitanis, as we always mention, come with matching blouse pieces. And paitanis in general, you will find running blouse pieces on like almost all of our paitanis. Showing out some munia borders now. A pretty lime green color with diamond bootas and a munia border. This is the munia border, the parrot motif on the border, and diamond bootas on this one. So reminds me of the Kaju Katli, very festive again. And this is the pallu. Two peacocks, very colorful. Two macaws, very colorful, and very beautiful floral design around them. Very vibrant and really complementing the body of the sari as well. These are all in pure silk and very high quality silk on these one, all of them. So the sari will fall really beautifully well. This one here is a beautiful, like a lotus pink color, not exactly like very light shade of pink, but what a like medium light pink, like how a pink lotus is. And round bootas on this one, munia borders, and a very pretty pallu of peacocks. This is the pallu. These ones also look very beautiful if you pair them with contrast blouses. So this one, if you pair this one like with an aubergine or a dark purple or even a bottle green, it will look very beautiful. Then we have another shade of deep turquoise, round buttas and lovely temple border along with the munia border. All the munia borders will have temple borders. It's just that the depth of the temple will keep on changing for each sari. It really depends on the setting of the loop. The coin or the sikka buttas are, or as we call these ones, the round buttas, and that's the pallu. Again, a very vibrant, colorful pallu, multiple peacocks around a floral vine, and that's the gorgeous two-tone pallu that you see here, the body of the sari. Then we have here is a very vibrant single tone Rani pink, like almost a shocking pink, very beautiful, stunning shade if you like bright colors, and absolutely perfect for the festive season, for the wedding season. And this is the pallu on this one. Again, colorful macaws. And a beautiful thin munia border. Tiny round buttas on this one. Not very large, very tiny. Looks like a shimmer on the sari. Adds like a little touch of gold. And this is how the pallu looks like. And like I was mentioning about the running blouse piece, this is how the running blouse pieces are. Either at the start of the sari or at the end of the pallu. Next we have is a beautiful red, lovely deep red, like very sinduri red color over here. Very nice shiny fall, and a beautiful fall on the sari, and again round sikka buttas on this one as well. And this is the pallu. Very lovely traditional peacocks, very colorful. Now this one you pair it with a matching blouse or with a contrast blouse, both of it is going to look very beautiful, because the color itself is kind of going to steal this show. Yeah, that's how the sari would look like. And this is the last one for today, a deep midnight blue, munia borders, round buttas. They really come out very well on dark colors. And this is a very traditional pallu on this one. You know, like pairs of peacocks sitting on a, this kind of depicts a vase or a, I don't know, it's more like this whole thing, it depicts a vase or a pot and a tree growing out of it, and peacocks sitting on the branches. The pallu and the beautiful body of the sari, very rich, deep midnight blue, very beautiful color going on here. Again, for all these sarees are hand woven, and like we have always been mentioning, this is the sign to look out for, where the front and the back of the pallu, or wherever the paitani weaving is done, has to be exactly the same. So this is the sign of an authentic paitani. So please look out for these things when you're ordering online, ordering paitanis online, especially because we have been seeing a lot of our clients and a lot of people who have been buying from sellers online come back to us mentioning that what they got is for a very cheaper rate, which they fell for, and what they got is either a mixed silk, or the sari was short, like the sari wouldn't even measure up to 4.5 or 5 meters. There are very multiple faults in the weaving. The weaving is not clean. The back of the pallu has a whole jala. So that means that it's a jacquard woven paitani. It's not not a handloom paitani. It's more like either a power loom or a jacquard paitani, where it's a quicker way to weave a sari. And honestly, those saris shouldn't be even called paitani just because they have peacocks on it. Like, it's no relation at all. Paitani is specifically a weave. So please do reach out to us if you need more information, and we would be happy to let you know how to identify, or if you need any help, you can reach out to us. Coming back to the collection, we will be getting a lot more saris coming in the next few days or weeks, and we really hope that you guys would find the paitani of your dreams with Only Paitani. So till then, you can shop online on onlypaitani.com, or you can DM us or WhatsApp us on 9833767750. That's the best way to reach us. And if you're in Hyderabad and Bangalore, do visit the store. Till next time, bye bye and take care.